Okay, so welcome back to the radio room. Just a quick update on the SP220 amplifier. Got a little bit of work done on the bottom side. It's still looking a little bit like a mess, but we're going to get some zip tie stuff. First off, got the soft key QSK board remounted in there. Got its transformer, or correction, transistor mounted back in there. And we got the soft start mounted back into the underside of the chassis. And if you remember, that was being held by the filtering capacitor block, which is back in there. Still got to hook that up, and still need to hook the metering and rectifier board back right here. I did want to point out that I did get the, you can look down in there, let me see if I can find a better view of that. See down in there, I do have the nylon bolt standoff installed in there, and the coils are all in. Input filterings in. Already got the everything all bolted up together there. It's all hooked up in that area. Just got to finish with the metering board, and the front panel is pretty much all that's left now. Getting it wired back in, and of course get some zip ties in here and get all this zip tied back together. As you can see, I do have the new coaxes running to where they need to go, right here and right here. And this is the standby switch. I had to remove that to get it out of there. That's just what those two wires are hanging out there. This will all be zip tied back together nice and neat. Just thought I'd give you all an update. I'm going to clean these a little bit better. This is where the bottom side of the tube sockets, I'll get them cleaned up a little bit better, make sure they're getting good contact. Oh, what else? So did get the bottom side of this soldered back in. If y'all get a good close-up with that. Got the relay soldered back to it to go to the output, and where the bottom of that filter coil was coming is soldered back into that tab right there. I had to use the big soldering iron on that. That's a lot of copper heating up all at the same time. So that's pretty much what the bottom side's looking like. Like I said, just got to get the metering board back in, get it all wired back up, get the high voltage transformer hooked back up to the capacitor block. Since I got this setting up on side, that's on the bottom side over there, I can't get to right now. Just thought I'd give you all a really quick update on the fact that we're still coming together with this. Just about done with the bottom. I'm gonna zip tie things up, give a once look over on everything real quick before I move to working back at the top, getting the filtering filtering hooked back up to the high voltage transformer, and getting the metering board put back in, and start wiring the front panel back into it. So we'll be back when we probably just about got it back together. Bye for now.